everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make these little snowflakes or stars. I am using these to embellish my tree skirt, but of course you could use these to embellish whatever you would like. They're super easy and super quick. So to begin, we are going to make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slip stitch into the very first chain. And then we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are going to slip stitch back into that very first chain that we did in the very beginning. So you could see that makes 2 spikes. And then we are just going to continue doing that until we have 6 of these total. So chain 5 and then slip stitch back into that very first chain that we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch. And then once you have the 6, you will just fasten off. And that's it. There you have a little snowflake or a little star, whatever you want it to be.